So here we are at a buddy's house, and they have one more day to get their cars ready for Wreck at the Lex put on by Ontario. So these guys here are just struggling. No time for horseplay. No. You guys may remember this is the car I took for the oil change. I have actually sold it to this gentleman.
Oh, come check out your oil change.
I'll have to come check out my oil change. Is it full of water?
Yeah.
I don't know how it got filled with water.
It's full of water.
Okay.
So I gotta do another oil change. I
sorry. It did have I have video proof to prove it had an oil change. So they were running their compact bumpers. The rule is it has to be a rebar only. So there's his rebar. These guys here are just mounting their fire extinguishers. They're going to be leaving quite early tomorrow morning. If you guys remember my setup. So I will not be at Wreck at the Lex, but one of my cars will be there. And this is the motor that was actually there last year. You're a good girl, as you are. But oh, it's going to be a good day. We're just going to start tying everything shut, getting the doors ready. He's got to throw some weld onto that car. But other than that, these guys are really motoring along, getting ready for tomorrow. So let's get some footage going here. Any high hopes for this thing tomorrow here, Chris?
Free drugs.
Free drugs. What about Jesse? Any high hopes for Jesse's car?
What do you think, Zach? They're gonna not doing good.
Jesse, you're gonna do horrible. You might as well leave this thing at home.
Thank you.
Now hopefully he does well, because everybody says when I say something's gonna do horrible, it does fantastic. This is the car he had in Harrison, so he's hoping to have this thing do good again. So I came over to help my friends build their cars. I've been here for about maybe 45 minutes working on these cars. And then all of a sudden I turn around and everybody's gone. I get a text message from them saying, we went to town to get some bolts and some McDonald's and some energy drinks, and we'll be back in like an hour. And then they text me and told me everything they wanted to do on their cars. Oh, you gotta love friends. But on the bright side, I'm doing something I love right now, and my dog found a mouse. Did you find the mouse? Yes, she did. Well, let's get back to working on these cars. Well, I've got all the holes drilled. Now I just need to go get some tires. So I have to drag this jack all the way over to there, because all the cars that have doubles on it are over there. So I guess let's go get some doubles. I guess I'm gonna have to carry some of these over there as well. Perfect. So this car here is almost done. You got the bumper already welded on.
Sell me a car full of water.
It was full of water and it was already built. Everything's going pretty good, except there does need to be an oil change done on this, because apparently the water that Pro Oil Change was put into this was full of water. So
no way.
Oh, it's full of water. Oh, take a look.
Look, this is bad. This is bad. I went and checked it. Not bad.
Yeah, she's got some water in it.
Taste it. Is it sweet? It's all coolant.
There's no coolant in this one.
That's why I wonder if the head gasket's gone and it's puking water.
I don't think the head gasket's got it. It runs great.
I don't know how you drive things.
Anyway, this one's almost done. This one here is a different story. We got this guy still welding.
With something bigger I can throw.
He's still welding on this. He doesn't have his bumper. Doesn't have the frame cut, but he does have a bumper on the ground. It is starting to get dark out, so you can't swear on YouTube.
Two.
You know what else is funny? He's also gonna run my hood and my alternator.
Every time.
Yeah.
Every time.
Get going.
Sorry, I can't swear. Every gosh darn frickin' time.
Every Fruit Loop time.
Every Fruit Loop motherfucker.
This car still needs a lot of work. As you can tell, he has to cut this bumper off and put that bumper.
Hopes and dreams.
Fuck, car don't even run on hopes and dreams yet.
The car don't even run yet.
No car runs.
He's trying to weld this thing. But what he doesn't know is I hooked up the battery, so he's probably frying the computer in this thing right now.
This is the best welder ever.
That is the worst welder I've ever seen in my life. When you have to hold the negative on.
Well, look at that. That's pretty cool.
You know, if you just put a new clamp on, that'd be fine. But anyway, they're looking pretty good for wreck at the Lex tomorrow, so.
Where?
He's getting ready, though. Maybe we can get one more little sneak peek before these things get ready. They still have to get painted because the doors have to be white going there tomorrow. So, still a little bit more work to do. Well, it's getting towards the end of the night, and I'm about to call it a night because it is dark outside.
It's like 6:20.
It's like 8. Look at this guy welding here.
Ow! Today on Zach's Dirt Shop.
This car here has got an oil change halfway done. The oil that came out of it was not the best of oil.
I need a funnel.
Yeah, he needs a funnel to finish off the oil change.
There's a funnel right
Fit
there.
all the oil in here.
But you know what? She's all done. She's got all the doors taped shut and everything like that. Eva's car is pretty much done. I think he's just going to put some door plates onto it and all that fun stuff. We've got a whole bunch of extra struts. That's the oil that came out of the car right there. Quite milky, but thank you, Pro Oil Changers, for that one. But other than that, both these cars will be great tomorrow. Still need to paint them. Haven't got that done. But you know what? Me coming here, helping out my friends, got them ready for the Derby tomorrow. And hopefully they make it. So thanks everybody for watching. And if you guys make it to wreck at the Lex, be cheering for 333 and 59.
And 5.
I'm
5.
Change my number.
He's all scared now.
I'm changing my name, my number.
Jesse, you're not a big name.
Everything.
Stop.
Changing everything.
He's not a big name.
So thanks everybody for watching. We'll see you back here.